Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare Nobara versus Bazzite and what are the main differences between these two. So Nobara comes with divine dependencies, OBS proprietary drivers, NVIDIA, and codecs by default, easier out-of-box experience for gamers and creators, and also multiple editions desktop environments. So you have like Steam handled, a Steam HDPC, modified KDE and GNOME, and strong community around gaming and Proton. And you can have more flexibility. Now, on the other hand, you don't have any secure boot support. You need to disable secure boot to install use Nobara, maintained by a small team, single main developer, possible instability, breakage with updates, and some hardware edge issues. So it's like Bluetooth bug. So that's something for the Nobara. And then also more like maintenance. With Bazzite, on the other hand, you have immutable atomic updates, rollbacks. So that's the first thing. Also, good gaming focus and integration. Then you can have better stability and cleaner base, great for handheld console-like setups, and good battery life performance in many cases. The cons: less flexibility with system modifications. A learning curve is much higher, so that's something that you have to be aware of. Also, some games you have like issues with it because there is like anti-cheat launchers, or non-Steam games sometimes behave worse. Occasional quirks with updates, and dependencies on Fedora decisions. So that's something that you kind of like be aware of. And that's pretty much it for this. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this provided a little bit of value about what you can actually expect from both. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye.